Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here from the Protocase team, and today we've got a really important update in my account that I think you're really gonna like. So let's check it out. Okay, show of hands, who feels like their inbox could really use a paring down? Me too, absolutely. Now, we're all about fast here at Protocase, and we want you to meet your critical deadlines. So we'll make your custom parts and enclosures in 2 to 3 days with no minimum order requirements. But if your inbox is all cluttered up, that's just another drain on your momentum and your focus too. When you order your custom parts and enclosures with Protocase, there are going to be several emails during the ordering process that you're typically going to get. These messages include an email with your e-drawing for approval, if your order requires approval before it can be manufactured, an email with your graphics for approval, if your design has graphics that need to be approved, an email to confirm that your order is in production, and an email to confirm that your order has been shipped. Now, for lots of the organizations that we work with, they all have several different projects going on simultaneously. That can mean a whole heck of a lot of emails. So what we've done, we've updated my account to have a new inbox to manage all of these messages and give you the ability to turn off specific emails to just use the My Account inbox. So with that being said, let me walk you through what that looks like. So once you log into My Account, you'll see a view of your inbox on the dashboard screen. This will indicate how many total emails you have, how many unread emails you have, your read emails, and the emails that you have archived. You can click on the Inbox tab to view the full list of messages. Click View to open a message, click Archive if you want to move it to your archive, and Delete if you want to delete it altogether. You can also toggle through each of these categories on the top menu to see just the messages that fall within this category. So let's get back to that cluttered inbox. So I don't know about you, but I would much rather streamline my emails if I can. So to change your notification preferences and no longer receive these emails about your orders, you need to go to the Settings tab. Under Notifications, you can select the second option that says, I'll check my account for notifications. With this selected, you will no longer get these emails in your email. You will need to check My Account to view these messages, including e-drawings and graphics approvals. Now, if you do opt to not receive these emails, our system will send you a friendly reminder once every 24 hours if you have any unread messages in My Account. Now, this is just our way of making sure that you don't miss anything important. So if you do decide down the road that you'd like to get the emails back into your work inbox, no worries, you can always change your notification settings back. In the end, it's our mission to give you more choice and more options when it comes to your own work style and preferences. And of course, if you have any questions at all or any feedback about using My Account, just reach out to your Protocase account manager. They're here to help. So that's all for this week's Proto Tech Tip video, and we'll see you back here again next week.